Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's Sunday, April the 26th, Central Texas time. I haven't come out for the past 2 days, I think. I had an issue with work, not not too much of video related or anything. I got busy at work, and it's the only time that I ever get a chance to talk, find out what's going on, current news, farming news. Everything's doing pretty good. I'm gonna move the camera just a little bit so you can see. Since the watermelons are doing good. Wow, actually look a little bit brighter. I should just put it right here and come out to the side over here. Mike, face the camera over here. Alright. I think this is better because even though the sun is going down, I think I look a little bit more brighter than by sitting there behind the truck. The only thing is that it's windy back here, and I'm not sure if you can hear me. So I hate the wind. No, I love the wind. I just hate it when I'm talking. I'm getting reports, and of course this might not pertain to all of you. I'm getting reports of friends of mine on Facebook, on other blogs, that in the country of the Philippines, let me get on this side. The country of the Philippines, their government has extended the stay-at-home order another month. So they're not only going to stay the whole month of April, but also the whole month of May now. That's kind of saddening. That's very saddening, actually. It's starting to calm down here. It's coming out with here in Travis County. It's coming out with maybe one death per day, even though every death is very tragic and very serious. For the U.S. government statistics, one is no big deal for them. It's not like if you die and you come back the next day. You die and that's it. People don't understand that. The thing is that still one per day is not good. They want to open up the government already. They want to open up the United States. They're seeing that even though nationwide it's like maybe 300 or 400 people die per day. If you really think about it, like what people at Facebook have been saying, oh, well, people die in accidents, 9 to 1,000 people die in accidents daily, or in suicides, or in other types of deaths. The coronavirus is actually not considered to them to be such an important issue, because other issues like the flu, suicides, major accidents, vehicle accidents, shootings, the death statistics are higher than the coronavirus. That's That's how they have them brainwashed to think. Maybe until it happens to them or to a family member, then maybe they'll wake up. Because a human soul is not something to be tempered with. But anyways, the sun is going down already. Wow, that's so cool. The moon is up there in a distant star. I don't know what planet that could be, and I doubt you can even look up there. It's too far away. This should be considered a pretty quiet week, hopefully. I wish none of this would have ever happened, but you know, things change, people change. I still think that all of this happened because the people chose President Trump as the president. I think this is an inside deal. I still think, and I'm not trying to be a conspiracy theorist or anything, but I still think that this has something to do to make the president look bad. And the Democrats or whoever was responsible behind this didn't care how many innocent lives they kill. But that's all I have to say for today. It's just, I really don't like to talk about it, but since it's still the issue right now, it's coronavirus all over the place. Every single TV channel, even if you have cable TV, every single cable TV channel is talking about the coronavirus. My gosh. But anyways, a big shout out for Edeline Barros from the Philippines. She says she's doing fine. A big shout out for Luis from Coahuila, Mexico. He's been listening to my shows. A big shout out to him. If you listen to some of these shows and I've seen your messages and you want me to give you a shout out, go ahead and write it down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want. But anyways, you all have a happy Sunday. I'm going to close this off. The sun's going down. I'm going to lose light. You're probably not going to be able to even see me anymore. You all have a safe Sunday. Right now, I think it'd be Monday in the Philippines. So you all be safe, and we'll be looking for you on the next vlog. Thank you.